Hi everyone, in this video I want to show off the function of the PPT101, the one that we have been all asking for, and what can it do. So let's get started. Firstly, it will come with a blank page of this, only one slide which will be blank. It will have the same kind of thing as a PowerPoint presentation, but it also got these tools. If you look on the side, these tabs determine the difference. First is the courseware. Right now we have 0. Now it be able to select the chapter of the book or thing like that. Okay. Subject tools. This is what I have been experimenting on, and I have found that it doesn't work properly unless you click edit. This one does work properly, so let me give you an example of what can it do. This one is called the rotate indicator. How it works is the teacher click this button, edit, and if they want to learn about the time, they move this thing, how much it would go, you see? And they click save, and that's it. It will go on there and stay like that. It's working properly. You can't double click it, can't interact with it. It will pop up this window. Okay. Next. So these are all the things that it can do. If you look over here, we have all these tools. There are 33 of them in total. Okay. So you can just click insert. It will pop up this, and it will not work. You can't click on this. You have to click on edit, and you'll be able to change this thing. It will become interactive, and these two can be used to teach us your class, or the student can, they can actually play with it and try to present something to themselves. Next, multimedia, the one that they have is nothing. Okay, so this is another kind of an exercise that's up there. So we see some of these subject tools. Okay, next thing I want to show you is exercise. If you go up there, you click new exercise. These are the exercise that they give you. So for English, for Chinese, for maths, more exercising. I play with this, I'll show you in a bit. Interactive exercises like handwriting, link up, these can be completed. Let's see about coloring. So yep, it does come with instruction in English, so you can pick that, select picture, and yeah, you can just go and click insert. The exercise will pop up there, and you can just remember that if you don't click this button, the exercise will not work. Now what I want to show you next is this kind of a exercise tools where it's true or false. Now how it works is it does have this in what is it called, class flow as well. So how it do this is you insert the question, and it's the color of apple red. I put it as yes. I click save. So when the student trying to attempt this, it will come up like this, and if I answer the correct question, click submit, confirm, and yes, it's correct. Or if not, it will say that I'm wrong. You can select the timer or the countdown, like how many seconds they want to complete, or the countdown. This will limit the thing as well. You can insert image, video, audio, formula, or you can even import samples. Now, next thing that I want to talk about is 3D object. 3D object is located on this corner right here. What ClassFlow doesn't have is this. You have 39,426 object you can choose from, and I think this is what they meant by the library I shared. You do not own these. These are cloud-based. You have to, when you click insert, it downloads them onto your computers. And how you operate it is you click the little play icon on the side here. I want to play this table. I click on this, and it pop out like this. You'll be able to rotate your 3D object with your mouse. Look underneath, look on top. So it's pretty neat. You'll be able to also have these tools on the side. Okay, these are not in ClassFlow, so interactive. You have a magnifier, blackboard, spotlight, timer, name list, and you can even have a class event where the class can come up. You can encourage your student, and also these push screen, screenshot, answer, task. These are some of the interaction that you can add in. Push screen, that means student can maybe interact with this using their phone. So it's the same thing. You'll be able to rotate all the subject. Look underneath, look on top. Teacher can use brush to explain to the student. You have subject tools and what you want to use, and yeah, it's like ClassFlow where everything is quite free here. You can even like write on the desktop. Well, let's go back. You have eraser. You can erase this. Exit. So that's about all the function that it have, right? As of now, I should also mention that it also have exercise that has not been added yet, interactive exercises and theme. So these two will be quite. They haven't got the content up yet, but this is already up and it's working as intended. But to use it, you have to click edit to make it work. Okay, thank you for watching the video on introduction to PPT101. Thank you, and bye bye.